First, we have to attach mirrors on both sides of the rails and we have to put the lasers so that a reflection takes place. If any obstacle, for example, take it as comes in middle of it, reflection will be stopped and the beam sound is created. This information will be sent to the control room. How means for this sensor we are attaching the GPS track system so that the information will be sent to the control room. Here we are arranging the motor cameras, those are moving. Control room functions the cameras so that cameras move to the place where the object is situated and snaps the object. The image which is snapped by the camera is sent to the control room so that control room will check that whether it is major object or minor object. If it is major, then it sends the information to the trains so the trains will be stopped. Here this we are mainly using in the northern countries. We are seeing that many animals are killed by the trains or hit. We have seen a lot of uses. Elephants are hidden by the trains. For such kind of places, in such situations, we are using this technique. And this is a modified railway gate, sir. We are not saying about it is automatically opened or closed. Just we have changed the model of the gate. Actually, now the being gates closed also, some people are moving like this with their motor vehicles. For such kind of people, we have added that when it is open, even person cannot cross it. When it is open, even person cannot cross it. And when it is closed, it is the underground level. We are also designed that we have to leave a place of 20 meters from the track and the gate, so that if any vehicle comes also out of the gate, then it can stay here. And we have also put the LED lights and the siren here so that the cameras also calculate the speed of the train, so that in the display we can show that such a express is coming with such a speed. All passengers are in the display, we can see that.